Kaihara tātou katoa kua hui hui mai nei ki tēnei pō tino whakahirahira. On behalf of Year 12, Chanel and I would like to firstly thank our whānau, our whaiatawhai, our teachers, the Board of Trustees, and a special thanks to our tūmaki, Miss Kingi. Thank you for supporting us through another successful year at Hato Hōhepa. Year 13, where do I start? Thank you for being our role models throughout the years as we have grown up as sisters. Although there have been many ups and downs, that's life. As you take your first steps into the real world, As you take your first steps into the real world, I'd like you to remember these very important and special words of wisdom. Heads up, shoulders back, and crack it. Never scared. So next time we meet Year 13, I would like to hear that you get up and make your bed, as these two choices are the only choices that you'll have full control of.
Okay, so we know that when you start uni, sometimes it can be overwhelming, you end up broke, there's heaps of little uni starter packs, life starter packs if you're not going to uni. I'll just bring that up. Sorry, this one's going to be short. Okay, so number one, we've got some noodles. Emergency hunger only, you can only eat these when you are starving and you are broke and, you know. If you have a lollipop, this is for when life sucks. Then we have some tissues to wipe away the tears of sadness, but of joy as well. A felt tip pen to colour your life bright, to colour your future bright. String to hold things together when life seems to be falling apart. A rubber to erase all your mistakes. A jar with 10 cents to ensure that you'll never be completely broke. Candy cane to keep you in the Christmas spirit. A pen, which is essential for life, you know, lectures, signing papers. A Kit Kat to remind you to take a break. Bubbles in case you lose yours before something important. And there's two surprises left in there, but all I can say about one of them is to make sure you hang them up in front of your door before you leave to remind you to always walk out presentable before you go anywhere important every day. It's pretty special. But yeah. So yeah, we wish you luck, and if you will want to come up and say something.